So we're not going to get as warm as the 70s, but definitely get into the 60s, and it's going to feel really nice around here the next 2 days, getting that southerly wind coming in here, warming up the entire area. And today we get a lot of sunshine as well. High pressure is protecting us from any storms, so the showers moving into Albany will stay off to the north. We'll call it warmer sunshine today, 63, but this mild pattern does hold in place until tomorrow. We see that the rest of the weekend is late Monday evening. Well after sunset, well after the commute is over, we're going to start to look for some showers. Maybe begin first with coastal Connecticut because the southerly wind could spark early showers overnight. By the area, showers are back in the forecast. We see the head start tomorrow where temperatures will push the upper 60s. It'll be even warmer. About some new balloons that will be featured in this year's Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. And here they are. Look, Papa Smurf, Hello Kitty, and Elf on the shelf. Yesterday, parade workers in East Rutherford inflated the balloons for the first time, and volunteers practiced handling them in a parking lot. Be sure to look for them on Thanksgiving Day.
Elf on the shelf. That one's going to be popular.
It's like a yoga move. I think that would feel good
So
right
cute.
now.
Yes.
Very cute, right?
Yeah.
Very popular.
Yep.
You know, somebody just said on Twitter, Amy Freeze, that cannot be her name. I'm like, yeah, it is. Shaw.
Right.
I've seen your driver's license.
I'm going to tell my parents, that can't be my name.
What
happened?
Right, if you had picked her name, wouldn't you have picked like Amy Sunshine?
No, I would have chose Windy Breeze.
I like it.
Windy Breeze. Okay. That is what I'm going to call you from now on, by the way.
And now Windy
Right.
Breeze.
Right. Good morning, everybody. Freeze will not be in the forecast for today. Instead, we're going to see temperatures well above average. We've been running 8 degrees cooler than normal so far this month. So it has been a chilly start to November, but we're going to make up some of the yardage, if you will, today as our temperatures are expected about some 60. So let's get started. Outside right now, we do have some fog in some areas, some moisture sort of hanging at the surface, making it seem like it's a little cloudier than it actually will be this afternoon. So expect the sun to come up and burn off this moisture that we have loitering around here and allow our temperatures to get really 60. So above average for this time of year. Let's check the numbers in Central Park, 50 degrees. Humidity 89%, winds are calm, and the pressure is holding steady. So what we're going to look for today, above average, really nice conditions that take our temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than they are right now. So Port Jervis, you're starting at 39, no problem getting to 60 degrees for you later. Carmel, it's 38 degrees, same thing. Armonk has 38. We'll see across the board temperatures returning to above average for the first time in really 2 weeks around here. It's going to feel nice. After the fog, expect sunny skies and temperatures in the 60s. A balmy breeze is coming in for Monday. This could make us even warmer than today. So we could be pushing near 70 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. Showers are expected on Tuesday, so we're tracking this front. Right now it's high pressure and control, so it keeps any storms up to the north of us. Albany's going to get a few showers. This is the front right here that comes in for Tuesday, so that's what will bring the showers back to our area on Tuesday. Look at how it's going to just roll right into Chicago, and they got a big football game there tonight, and they're going to go from wearing shorts yesterday to being all bundled up with rainy, raw temperatures. We're also following this front because the warmth ahead of it is what's surging into our area today. So 60s and 70s is where the air is coming from. I think we could get 65 today. It'll be real sunny, and that southerly wind will continue into tomorrow ahead of the front. And so 67 seems like it's possible. There's the front itself. So late Monday into Tuesday, it gets closer, and we track it on Futurecast, first with the high resolution. So this just shows us how the clouds are not around today. Even through sunset tonight, it looks really beautiful. A few clouds sneak in overnight. Monday's a good-looking day to start, and then clouds will increase again ahead of that front. We'll break down the numbers here with the AccuWeather forecast. Patchy fog gives way to sunshine. It turns warmer with 65 today compared to the mid-50s yesterday. And then tonight, it's mild with 52. So only a few clouds around. It's going to be really nice. For Veterans Day, really nice. Winds at 52nd Street.
Well, that's a perfect day. I mean, we share it on any day, but when you see someone in a military uniform or someone you know who's served, you say thank you. My kids do it all the time. If we're at a rest stop or we see guys passing through, all the time they say thank you to them. the smile that comes on their face. They love
I know,
to
isn't
hear
it? It's good. Yeah, got to do it.
Big salute today, and the weather's cooperating for the parade. Anybody who's going out to Fifth Avenue, I mean, it really is going to be a nice day.
Right? Good.
Absolutely gorgeous. You could get away with just a really light layer, maybe even have it around your waist by this afternoon, as temperatures are going to go into the 60s. This is the warmest that we've been in more than 2 weeks around here, and with temperatures as we go throughout the day, and also going to take our temperatures well into the 60s. 51 right now in Central Park, the humidity 86%. Winds are calm, pressure is holding steady. Above average temperatures expected across the board this afternoon. We're starting with 38 degrees in Montclair, Hanover 34, Bridgewater 34, and Meadowlands 44 degrees. Out on Long Island, Islip has 43, Montauk already up to 51, and down the Jersey Shore, temperatures have been in the upper 30s and low 40s to start off. The southerly winds, though, are probably going to make the Jersey Shore one of the warmest places to be this afternoon. So after this fog, we get 60s, and then a balmy breeze continues for tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to be a very nice observance of Veterans Day tomorrow. Showers are expected by Tuesday. We can get some rain in here, I think, as early as Tuesday afternoon. Looking at the numbers, how far are we off from the normals? Well, the departures this month have been more than 8 degrees above the average for the first 9-10 days of the month. And today we get a chance to make up some of that room, some of that space. Ahead of the front, we're looking at southerly winds, and this is the main boundary between the warm air, we're on the warm side right now, and some colder air back to the west where we saw the mountain snow yesterday in the Rockies. Pretty incredible. So this is the boundary. It's going to bring some big storms to the Midwest today, lots of showers and thunderstorms, but look at the green. That's the warm air that's sort of shoving in our direction. We even get the influence as far down as Texas, pushing in to the tri-state. So while we may not see 70s on our temperature gauges, we definitely will see that air from the south moderated as it comes into our area and allow for temperatures to get into the mid-60s. So that's pretty nice. Warmer sunshine this afternoon with this mild pattern that we've got in place. By tomorrow, that balmy breeze will push our temperatures just a few degrees warmer. We'll also have a few more clouds in the forecast on Monday. And then Tuesday, this is the front that affects us. It'll be coming into our area late Monday into early Tuesday, and the Futurecast puts the timing of this likely during the Tuesday morning commute. So Monday's still looking decent here, Monday 7 a.m. And we track the afternoon and see the clouds moving in. And by Monday night into Tuesday, there are the showers and thunderstorms even possible with that front as it comes in, because the clashing of the air masses, remember, we're going to be having temperatures in the mid to upper 60s in place for Monday afternoon, then much colder air coming back behind it. So those two together will create some showers and thunderstorms around here on Tuesday. Highs across the area, low to mid 60s, and once again, I think the Jersey Shore could be the warmest spot to be today because they get the influence of the southerly wind the fastest and first off. So 65 as we go, and showers are in the forecast as well. Wednesday, partly sunny, a high of 50 degrees. It's sunny and brisk by Thursday. It'll feel like November again by the middle of next week. 54 on Friday, 53 on Saturday. No extreme cold in the forecast, and Tuesday's showers look like they'll affect the early part of the day. It'll likely be damp through the afternoon. So Tuesday's sort of a wash right now, but today and tomorrow it's looking pretty good.
6 inches of snow and more in some spots Wednesday, and 67 degrees tomorrow. That's a roller coaster. All right,
Welcome
thank you,
to New
dear.
York.
That's a great way to get sick.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Crazy. Well,
The wet hair?
I don't know.
And the
I
thing
think
and up and down?
it's physiological. I don't know. Is it myths? I don't know.
I'm taking my
I don't know.
Geritol.
What you're telling me what my mother...
And then the middle of next week, it does feel like November again. We'll be looking at temperatures in the 50s. We'll be back here at 9 with more of the AccuWeather forecast.
Alrighty.
All right, thanks. Thanks, Amy. That's going to do it for this edition of Eyewitness.